Hello guys. Hope you are all enjoying your life well. I'm here to tell some specifications and complete detail about iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's start with Scene 1. The future in your hand. Visuals. Open on a close-up shot of a hand holding a sleek, futuristic iPhone 15 Pro Max. The phone gleams in the light, showcasing a redesigned camera bump and a vibrant display. Music. Uplifting and futuristic instrumental music. Voiceover. Sophisticated, inviting. This isn't just a phone. It's a leap into the future. Cut to a wider shot. The hand unlocks the phone with a simple tap using Face ID 2.0 or a similar advanced security feature. Introducing the iPhone 15 Pro Max, where innovation meets elegance. Scene 2. Capture every moment like never before. Visuals. A series of quick cuts showcasing the iPhone 15 Pro Max's camera capabilities. A breathtaking landscape photo taken with the phone's improved wide-angle lens. A stunning close-up portrait with a beautiful bokeh effect. A seamless transition from photo to high-quality video recording. The future of photography is here. Capture every detail, every emotion, with a camera system that redefines what's possible. Scene 3. Power at your fingertips. Visuals. The phone effortlessly runs demanding games and edits complex video projects. Experience unparalleled power with the A18 Bionic chip, the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. Lets you push the boundaries of creativity and productivity. Scene 4. A display that captivates. Visuals. A stunningly clear and vibrant display showcases a high-resolution video playing on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Immerse yourself in a world of color with our next-generation Promotion XDR display. Experience unparalleled brightness, clarity, and refresh rates for a viewing experience unlike any other. Scene 5. Connected to your world. Visuals. A split screen. One side shows a video call with crystal-clear audio and video. The other side shows seamless multitasking between multiple apps. Stay connected to the people and things that matter most. Experience flawless communication and effortless multitasking. Scene 6. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, more than a phone. Visuals. A montage showcasing various uses of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Using augmented reality for navigation. Controlling smart home devices with a tap. Working out with the phone tracking fitness data. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is more than a phone. It's an extension of you. It's a gateway to a world of possibilities. Scene 7. Final shot. Visuals. The iPhone 15 Pro Max rests on a table, bathed in soft light. The Apple logo glows faintly,